Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Reddit. This is ticker RDDT. Now Reddit is setting up for a move here. I like how this chart looks. We have Reddit in a bit of a sloppy pattern coming out of the June and May consolidation. We finally got back above all the key moving averages, started trending higher, made a new all-time high, but then consolidated again just above the 200-day moving average. But once we broke above that downtrend, you can see here, downward sloping trend line resistance through the 50-day moving average, broke above, consolidated, back tested that move, and have since printed a higher low. And so I certainly think Reddit looks interesting here for a potential move where you could buy today in and around this level and then add with a move through and a close above 241 coming on volume. Now that could give us a run back to the all-time high in the 270s. So that's just one of many setups I'm watching right now at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video was helpful. I'll see you next time.